Right,
Coming
Cindy?
behind us,
Yeah.
and we got them coming behind us now.
Oh, other people, I think. That's too funny. They'll be happy. Watch them in a minute. They're not going to be happy. Watch. Oh my God! Look how packed they are up there. You can barely. They look like one bird, Cindy. See over there? See them?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Because they calm down now and then.
Here they come. They're not happy for something down there. The bushy, there they come.
But that car lot must be
There they
thinking, what the
come.
heck are you? Oh my Lord! They took off again.
Look
Oh my God! They're almost bumping into each other.
Did you give her a card if hers are better than yours or yours?
No.
Holy moly.
They're not going anywhere.
See, they don't like.
Oh,
They've
look at all
lost.
these
They've
little
left the other side, though. That's what's funny.
Yeah.
See, most of them are gone. They must think it's better
Oh
over here.
man.